kasiyahan ang hatid natin tonight dahil dadagsa na ang tatlo sa pinakamakukulit na stand-up comedians ngayon. Sina Ate Gay, Dax, at Bubay!
So medyo tumabi-tabi muna tayo, best.
Nakakatakot
Funfair,
sila.
guys! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight on stage of Comedy Bar, we bring you the 2010 search for Miss Universe. And here are the not-so-lovely candidates. Starting off with candidate number 1.
Merry Christmas. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Narito sa inyong harapan ang reyna ng pasaway. Kumakaway sa inyo, handang ibuwis ang buhay para sa inyong mga tatay. At ako po ay naniniwala sa kasabihan na wag magwawalis sa gabi kung wala namang dumi. Salamat po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Let's welcome candidate number 2. Candidate number 2, ladies and gentlemen, is from Madagascar.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. We like to.
Thank you.
Laki-laki tao, bakla.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dax Martin at naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang
Huwag kayo maingay, mainitin ang ulo niyan.
Di pa ako nag-umpisa, Tol.
naniniwala.
Take 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na huwag magwawalis.
Ay, nasabi niya ni candidate number 1.
Naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan ni candidate number 1. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. And now, here is candidate number 3.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Maria Leonora Teresa, nagmula po sa langit, pumagsak sa lupa, una mukha. Ako po ay naniniwala sa kasabihan na wag maglalagay ng pinto sa katapat na pinto dahil pagpasok mo, nasa labas ka ulit. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3, but don't leave yet. Candidate number 3, I understand that in last night's talent competition, you were awarded as best in talent.
Opo,
What talent did you display?
dancing.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you display it tonight?
I need showdown
Showdown with?
with Dax Martin.
Oh, candidate number 2, showdown.
Na-imbier na yung Dax. Na-imbier.
Initin ang ulo ni candidate number 2.
Wrestling.
Taas ang sipano na,
Hindi ako masyadong natuwa.
Bakit?
Gusto ko yung number 2.
Number 1,
Kay number 1.
Bubay. Ay, ang hirap niyan. Ang hirap niyan, candidate number 3. Ay,
Ano ba yung mga sinasayaw nyo?
ano ba dapat?
Dapat Michael Jackson.
Candidate number 3?
Yes?
Bakit ganyan ang paa mo? Parang mas naunang tumanda kaysa iyo.
Magkaiba kami. Magkaiba kami ng edad, 38, 40.
Patingin ng Michael Jackson.
Ganito ang pagsasayaw. Dapat Michael Jackson. Kasi yan, lagi na nakikita yung mga sayaw na yan.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Jackson.
She was more like a beauty queen than movie scene. Said, "Oh, mind it, what do you mean? I am the one." Contains our floor in around. Don't be hurt, it was me, cheat as you said.
Wave yan, wave! Iba yan, candidate number 3.
Ay, sorry.
Ano ba yun? Inupuan mo naman si candidate number 2.
I have another talent.
You have another talent.
Yeah, I have many talent. Now, declamation.
Declamation? What is the title of your declamation?
The title of my declamation is The Door.
Ang pintuan?
Opo, ang pintuan.
Ladies and gentlemen, the door.
The door. The door. The door. I touched the door. I opened the door. I closed the door. The door.
Very nice! You're so good!
I have another declamation.
You have another declamation. What's the title this time?
The tree.
Ang punong kahoy?
Ang punong kahoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the tree.
The tree. The tree. The tree. The tree. The tree. I see the tree.
I saw.
Sorry. I saw the tree.
I see pala.
I see saw the tree. I see saw the tree. I plant the tree. And I count the tree. 1, 2, 3. The tree. I have another.
Hindi na natapos.
You have another declamation.
Yeah, the
That's why you're Miss Talent.
Yeah.
What's the title?
The turkey.
The turkey, ang pabo?
Opo.
Ladies,
The turkey. The turkey. The turkey. The turkey. 27, 28, 29, turkey. Thank you. Thank you.
there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our 3 not so lovely candidates for this year's Miss Universe Beauty Pageant. Hindi dyan nagtatapos ang moment nila dahil sa pagbabalik natin, question and answer portion. Dito lang sa